Hi friends, in this video I would like to share one more problem on sampling distribution. In the previous class I already shared a problem on this topic. If you missed that problem, please check it in the description box given below. First of all, I want to give a task to you which is similar to previous one. Please try it. Now the problem is a random sample of size 2 is drawn as sampling with replacement from the population S is equals to 1, 5, 6, 8. Then we have to find first one population mean, second one population standard deviation, third one mean of sampling distribution of means, and last one standard deviation of sampling distribution of means. Of course, this problem as similar as in the previous one. Friends, now I would like to do another type problem for a finite population, which is also known as sampling without replacement. Now the problem is a population consists of 5 numbers which are 2, 3, 6, 8 and 11. Now consider all possible samples of size 2 which can be drawn without replacement from this population. Then we have to find mean of the population, standard deviation of the population, mean of sampling distribution of means, standard deviation of sampling distribution of means. Now solution can be taken as given that given population S is equals to 2, 3, 6, 8 and 11. Here the number of objects in the population is 5. So capital N is equals to 5, and we have to determine each sample is of size 2, that is small n is equals to 2. To find what we have to find in the sense to find mean of the population mu, standard deviation of the population sigma, MSDM, of course mean of sampling distribution of means which is represented with mu x bar, also standard deviation of sampling distribution of means which can be represented with sigma x bar. These are the we have to finding quantities. Now first I want to find what is mean. Of course we know already mean is nothing but sum of the observations by total number of observations. Okay, that's why first I would like to find mean of the population, that is mean of the population mu. We know that mu is equals to sigma x by n, that is 2 plus 3 plus 6 plus 8 plus 11 by total number of observations are 5, and which total is whose sum is 2 plus 3 plus 6 plus 8 plus 11 becomes 30 by 5 is equals to 6. This is about mean of the population. Now I would like to find standard deviation of the population, that is SD of the population, which is represented with sigma. We know from variance, the definition of variance gives sigma square is equals to sigma x minus mu whole square by n, that is sigma square is equals to 2 minus 6 whole square plus 3 minus 6 whole square plus 6 minus 6 whole square plus 8 minus 6 whole square plus 11 minus 6 whole square by n, which is equals to sigma square is equals to the sum is 54 by 5, 54 by 5, which is equals to 10.8. Then standard deviation is nothing but sigma is equals to under root of 10.8, which is approximately equals to 3.29. Now I would like to find MSDM, stands for mean of sampling distribution of means, which can be represented with mu x bar. First of all, I want to find what is the sampling distribution. Of course, as in problem mentioned, we have to calculate this sampling distribution for a finite population. That means we have to calculate sampling distribution without replacement. We know that in without replacement we are having NCN elements. NCN it becomes 5C2. Why? Because capital N is equals to 5, small n is equals to 2. That means 5C2. That means 5 into 4 by 2 into 1. 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. That means there exist 10 samples. The number of samples are 10. Each sample is of size 2, which are what are the numbers as he given? The given numbers are 2, 3, 6, 8, 11. So which can be taken without repetition as 2 comma 2 comma 3, 2 comma 6, 2 comma 8 and 2 comma 11. The same way, we start from 3, we have 3 comma 6, 3 comma 8, 3 comma 11. Again we start with 6, 6 comma 8, 6 comma 11, and lastly we are getting 8 comma 11. By this counting we get 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So the number of samples of each sample size is 2 is 10. Now their corresponding means are their corresponding means are their corresponding means are 2.5, 4, 5, 6.5, 4.5, 5.5, 7. Again we are getting 7, 8.5, and lastly we got 9. Now I would like to find this mean of sampling distribution of means, that is MSDM. I already said, which can be represented with mu x bar is equals to sum of these means, sampling means, by total number of samples. Sum of these sampling means, that is mean of sampling distribution of means, in the sense we have to take all sampling distributions means with number of samples of 10. So we got 2.5 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6.5 plus 4.5 plus 5.5 plus 7 plus 7 plus 8.5 plus 9 whole by, how many samples are there? 10. That means mu x bar is equals to, this sum becomes 60 whole by 10, which is equals to 6. That is, both population mean and sample mean, nothing but sampling distribution of means, are equal. Now I would like to find SDM, which stands for SDM, which means sigma x bar, which can be calculated from variance definition. Already we know what is VSDM, since VSDM, which means variance of sampling distribution of means, which can be represented with sigma square x bar, and which can be calculated from the similar way as we done in the above problem, sigma x minus mu x bar whole square by number of samples 10, that is 2.5 minus 6 whole square plus 4 minus 6 whole square and dash 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 up to last sample mean 9.5 minus 6 whole square whole by 10, which is equals to 4.05. But we need sampling distribution of standard deviation, that is standard deviation of this sampling distribution. So we can take its square root, that is equals to under root of 4.05, which is equals to 2.01. Which showing that sigma x bar square is equals to sigma square by n times of n minus n by n minus 1, which is equals to 10.8 by 2 times of 5 minus 2 by 5 minus 1. This is equals to 4.05. This implies sigma x bar is equals to under root 4.05, which is approximately equals to 2.01, which shows what? Actually here n minus n by n minus 1 is called a correction factor, you already know. Now I am verifying with this correction factor. Sigma x bar square is equals to sigma square by n times of n minus n times of n minus 1, which means sigma is the population mean, sigma square, sigma x bar square is equals to SDM, sigma square is the variance, friends. This is about sampling distribution for a finite population, which is also called as sampling done without replacement case. If you have any doubt, please call to me. Thanks for watching.